How many times have you said or heard someone say, I wish I bought some wildly successful company stock in its heyday when it was trading for less than $10, like Microsoft, Apple, or Amazon? Or they wish they bought Bitcoin when it was basically worth nothing. Hey, this is Rochelle, and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. Now I'm going to take you back to the start of hip hop. It's the late 1970s, early 80s, and now at the same time, I'm dating myself, of course. Back in the days as hip hop grew, it could only be heard on radio on Friday and Saturday nights for about 3 hours. Now, you millennials out there, believe it or not, hip hop didn't play on daytime radio back then.
What?
Also, hip hop didn't play on radio in many areas across the United States. So cassette tapes from New York City of any radio show or any live show was like gold to the other regions in the US. If you were a college kid from New York City and you had a hip hop cassette tape on your campus outside of New York, you were hot shit. So at that time, everyone was trying to be a rapper, including myself, and I tried for years, but looking back, there was an opportunity that I overlooked that would have been highly profitable. I'm from Queens, New York, the home of LL Cool J, Run DMC, Tribe Called Quest, Nas, and many other heavy hitters. So I could have easily taped hip-hop radio and sold those cassette tapes all across America. So why am I telling you this story? Because Amazon is an opportunity everyone could capitalize on. Learning to sell on Amazon allows you to start a business, have an internet business, be part of the biggest online retailer who is still growing and has so much room to grow. Yes, Amazon dominates the US, but it still has more room to grow in other countries as well. Everyone can see how technology is moving. Online sales are booming. This year will be another record year. The pie is so gigantic. Everyone should want a piece of it, and Amazon allows you to partake in it. It does the heavy lifting for you. The warehousing, the picking, the packing, and the customer service. You don't have to be a marketing genius to have success on Amazon. There's plenty of free information out there to get a gist of it and to determine if it's something you can handle and navigate and does it fit your personality. If it does, and if you decide to move forward, I would suggest getting a coach. Coaches aren't cheap, but you can test out a community and system first. For about $55 monthly, you can test the AOE community and system, who coached me to my first successful product on Amazon. And soon I will have my second product on Amazon. Check out their community, get the full online course, experience their weekly Q&A calls to get a feel for it. I would suggest purchasing a product discovery session from one of the AOE coaches before you source any products on Amazon, and then determine if AOE is right for you. This will allow you to test what AOE offers and not be in debt with a coach or a system that doesn't work for you. Listen, opportunity is around us, and it's our job to see it and seize it. As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.